NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with NANATHESAUCYCHEF.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker chili. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of beef broth, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 15.5-ounce can of light red kidney beans. You want to drain them and you want to rinse them off. You're also going to need 1 15.5-ounce can of chili beans, 2 celery ribs chopped, 1 small onion diced, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1 jalapeno pepper chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. In a heated saucepan, we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion, our green bell pepper, our red bell pepper, celery, and also our jalapeno pepper. We're going to let that saute for 3 minutes. You want your heat on medium. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. Let that saute for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. Go ahead and break it up and make sure it's mixed in well with your veggies. And we're going to cook it until it's all brown. Now you can add in your salt and your ground black pepper. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined and continue to cook it until all your ground beef is brown. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, turn off your heat and you want to drain it of all excess grease. Now to your slow cooker, you want to add in your ground beef mixture. To that, we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes. And we're also going to add in our tomato paste. You want to mix until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you can add in your kidney beans, also your chili beans, and our beef broth. Mix until well combined. Now we're going to add in our seasonings. We're going to put in our cumin, our oregano, and our chili powder. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to place our lid over top. And we're going to set it on high for 2.5 hours. Okay guys, the chili is now done. It's been 2.5 hours. Look how delicious this is. I tell you guys, this chili is everything. Please believe me. And I hope you guys really give this recipe a try. So delicious. Okay guys, so here we have it, our slow cooker chili. Remember, you can add whatever toppings you would like onto yours. I just added some shredded cheese and some chopped scallions. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.